Good evening. My name is Claudia Patricia Caro. Today I'm going to talk about the rules in the museums. This is the Gold Museums located in Bogota. Here you can learn many things, but you can't take pictures. We can we can see how the ancestor lived. We can't buy the thing what we see because history will be lost. We can walk in the halls and we can't run. We can't we can touch the objects and we can eat inside the place. We can carry a lot of information, but we can't speak out loud. We can be very happy if we play be the rulers. Thanks.